Good morning, sir. I am Kalyan Chakravarti. It's brain second year. Today my topic name is non-negativity of the power spectrum. Introduction to power spectrum. The power spectrum is a representation of the distribution of a power into frequency components of a signal. It plays a crucial role in various fields, including signal processing, physics, and statistics. Understanding its properties such as non-negative essential for interpretation the spectral data accurately. Definition of non-negative. Non-negative refers to the property that all values in the must be greater than or equal to 0. These characteristics are ensure that the power spectrum accurately reflect the physical energy represented in the signal. Non-negative values are crucial for the mathematical consistency of a Fourier transform and related operations. Mathematical background. The power spectrum is typically derived from the Fourier transform of signal. For a real valued signal, the Fourier transform produces the complex values which are then squared to obtain the power spectrum. Scoring a complex number yields non-negative values, reinforcing the non-negative power spectrum. Importance in signal processing. Importance in signal processing spectrum inevitable to reliable tenable to unto interpretation of a signal. It ensures that the energy estimates of a signals are physically meaningful and consistent. Non-negativity also helps in filtering and reconstructing signals in various applications. Amplification for estimation. Non-negative impacts the estimation technique is used to analyze methods such as a parallelogram and which method are designed into non-negative estimates. Variations of a non-negative can lead the users to signals various application. Amplification for estimation. Non-negative impairs that the estimation technique is used in provide analysis methods such as a parallelogram which methods are designed to ensure non-negative estimates. Violations of non-negativity can lead to erroneous conclusion about the signal's characters. Power spectrum in time series analysis. The power spectrum provides insights underlying process generating the data. Non-negative that the spectral density estimates are interpretable are variance and different frequencies. Time series applications such as econometrics and environmental studies rely heavily on this property for model validation, real validation. Estimation challenges deposit its importance achieving non-negative practical. It can be challenging issues like noise, finite sample sizes, and windowing effects can introduce artifacts. Researchers must use robust estimation techniques mitigate this robust estimation. Research must be robust estimation techniques mitigate these challenges and preserve for non-negative preserve. Application in physical and engineering. In physics, the power spectrum helps analyze phenomena such as vibration, acoustics, and electromagnetic waves. Non-negative ensure the accurate representation of energy levels in various physical systems. The engineering this property is crucial for designing filters and systems that operate on signal frequencies. Computational methods. Various of the computational methods exist to non-negative spectrum estimates. Techniques including the regularization, something, and non-negative matrix factorization. These methods enhance the reliability of spectral estimates and maintain the integrity under the analysis. Integrity of analysis. Integrity of the integrity. Conclusion on future direction. Non-negative of the power spectrum fundamental analysis with wide-ranging implications. Further research may focus developing advanced techniques that further enhance non-negative in complex data sets. Understanding and reproducing this property will continue to be usual advanced signal processing methods. Thank you for